Hi, my name is Ben Castelaw, and we as a team are a part of MakeAble, a project that helps people with special needs. We thought that helping the Therapy and Learning Center with their new trike would be a great fit for this year. This trike was made for the disabled, but it didn't work for most of the people at the Therapy and Learning Center because they couldn't steer it.
I'm Liam Johnson, and I'm a part of the Trike team. While modifying the trike, we ran into two problems. The handle that goes to the back had to be out of the way of the user who was riding it, and it also had to be able to push and pull without breaking. Now, our first design was with two pieces of wood, and we attached a shorter piece of wood to the front of the trike. And then with some wires, we drilled a hole through the first piece of wood, put the wires through, and then got the second piece of wood and drilled a hole through that. And then we connected both of the pieces of wood with the wires. And that works pretty well, but it kept coming apart, but that didn't work, so we had to 3D print a joint to make it not fall apart and work better. In the end, we came out with this design, and it turned out working really well for our needs.
Hi, my name is Joseph, and I am here to talk about MakeAble, a program that helps people with disabilities with assistive technology. I really enjoy designing things and being a part of MakeAble, and it allows me to use my skills to make a difference in people's lives. It's really amazing to see the impact that devices can have on someone's daily life.
One of the modifications we made was a steering bracket so that the trike could be steered from the rear, because most of the people that are riding this are a little too weak to be able to steer it on their own. The modifications we made took some time, but the end result was amazing. Overall, I'm really impressed with the amount of things that we were able to accomplish in just the slight amount of time that we had.
Hi, my name is Pierce, and I started designing and working on changing the steering mechanism from the front of the trike to the back. We changed it to where you can push and pull from the back of the trike to change the direction of the trike.